Hello friends, very good evening. This is Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. And welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. If you are new to my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video I'm going to make to give you some idea about a long-term investment. So how we can do a long-term investment with the help of indicator. So that I am going to explain in this video. In intraday, it is a different kind of trade what we are making a trade in a day. So here positional and investment. So where we are selecting some quality or good stocks. Using this indicator, you can identify where I am going to enter for a long-term basis. So I'm not talking about intraday if I buy today or selling in the same day, or not talking about STBT like of trades. So it is a in trading view I found one indicator was it is good, and using that indicator I am checking with other um, uh, time frames to find out some good opportunity which is uh, available using that indicators that I am going to explain in this video. If you like this video, you can like and share to your friends, and if you have any questions you can comment on that. And I found on trading view there is a indicator called, so that is a free one, so the angle attack follow line indicator. So the creator giving a good on this indicator. I was thankful to the creator. Here this is the indicator, so which I am going to take a trade uh, to follow the trend or to find out the right entry point using this indicator for a long term from not for an intraday. I'm talking about positional trades like 1 month, 2 months, even a year. We can hold based on this indicator. So using this indicator, we can find out where we can enter. So that will give you some better opportunity or a better idea to enter. For example, so this is the steel. I'm taking about a daily time frame, not an intraday, either a 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That is purely daily time frame. So whenever this histogram like signals where it is give you some buy signal as well as some higher level indication and sell signal. So using that, how we can find the right opportunity. So whenever the new signal after a sell signal which came, so we can try to take a buy opportunity. So for example, sale which is given, this is a sell signal which is running from 22nd Jan of this 2021. After that, from the Jan month, so we got some opportunity on 23rd February. So still it wasn't selling, and here it is a flat trend, and here we got some buy signal. The price of the trade is around 70.55. So after it gives a buy, so because the histogram turns positive, so we may try to take the position. So where we can make the stop loss, so we can make the stop loss below the recent swing low. So there is around 54. So where we are trying to buy the stock around 68.70, we made a stop loss of 54. Almost somewhere around we are making the stop loss of 15 points. But after that, the stock is rallied up to 150. So almost doubled. The stock is doubled with the risk of somewhere around 50 points. So here it is not for an intraday or a normal swing trade. It is a purely positional. So here we got a February and it made a high on 10th May. So almost 2 to 3 months it taken, but it gives a huge result. And after that, it generates sell signal. You may exit your position at this point also. So even it is a better return given by almost somewhere around 50 points. So compared to where entry point is around 60, 70, even 80%. And previous trade of the same system, which is generated around somewhere around 38. The previous low, if you're taking around 31, so 8 rupees risk from somewhere the closing exactly 38. From 38, it went up to 78. after that again it started moving. So when it gives a sell signal, if you check it out, it was turned around here is around 64, where we have taken entry around 38 and it is given an exit around 70. And previous trade that is also working well on daily time frame, where it is 26 with a stop loss of 19 and it moves around 43. So if you are focusing investment, we can use this time frame, daily time frames, that is working very well. And if you go back for a long back history, so there also there will be a buy over around 36. You may be making a stop loss of 29 and there it is given a 51. These all the returns is not happening by 2 days or 3 days, it is more than a month. Okay, it is not for intraday again. It is a positional trading which gives you the better opportunity to find out where the trade or where the opportunity present. The previous results were very good using this system. I again thank to the creator. That is a very powerful indicator. So simply we can find the positional opportunity or investment opportunity using this indicator. Let's try with the weekly time frame. Even more better opportunity. Sometimes our stop loss may trigger on an investment basis, but longer the period. So here on weekly basis, on 10th of August, it generated you 38. Now the stock price were 125. Still it is in buying only. So previous trade where it gives a buy around somewhere around 46. Our stop loss, we are making the previous low around 28. That was triggered. But we triggered out 28 and again the signal were generated near about 38. So we bought again same position when it is turned uptrend. It's clearly giving you. So lot of stocks which is I checked with this indicator having good, and if you like this you can also try it out on the indicator. You can find out the name angle at a follow line indicator. So that was very good. And some of the stocks, so many stocks are going good. And if you check with the weekly time frame, so there will be a big opportunity using this indicator. And this is what Tata Steel, where we got a buy here around somewhere around 400. Now the stock was 1100. And previous signals also you can check it out. So here we got somewhere around 461 and we got a sell here around 351. That time we made a loss, but after 461 it moves around 506 also. 500 plus. Okay, so it gives you after the signal, but we are not focusing for a small profit. This is what if you are focusing this trade as a big profit, so sure it will give you some better and best result on long-term investment. And previous trade where you see the same Tata Steel which is given around 270, from 270 it went up to 700. So but it is not happen in a day, it is take a lot of time or longer the time frame around 2016 and it made a high of 2018. Almost 2 years the stock almost doubled, not doubled, tripled, 250 to 700 plus, it is tripled. So using not to select all the stocks, you can select some quality stocks that you can use this indicator. You can find out where that right opportunity is there to make a trade or make an investment. And lot of stock, so we can check a number of stock is there. So like Bajaj Finance, here also is this stock for a good stock for investment. Again in weekly basis it generated buy signal around 3200. Now the stock was trading around 6000, and previous trade here it gives a buy signal around 2600. From there it is 4800. Again it fall down, so we got a sell over here and we got a re-opportunity the same stock. Previous signal where it is happening around 1900 and it moves up to 2900. I hope this may be a useful indicator if you are new to trading system, so you can follow this indicator. So having good opportunity using this indicator. I hope I have checked a lot of stocks, it giving me some good opportunity. So you have to find out where there is an opportunity or where which stocks if you are going to find, so any stocks you are going to invest, so you can confirm with that. That is also giving best opportunity. I hope this may be a useful video, and thank you for subscribing my channel, and thank you for your comment and like. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.